Kotlin Desktop, Lesson 11, Canvas and Drawing. We'll build a freehand drawing app with a color palette and brush controls. Here's what we're building: a drawing canvas with freehand stroke rendering. Eight colors to choose from. A slider controls brush width from thin to thick. Undo removes the last stroke. Clear wipes the entire canvas. Create the drawing app project. Same Gradle settings as before. Generate the Gradle wrapper version 8.10. Three plugins: Kotlin, Compose, and the Compose compiler. Standard dependencies. No extras needed for Canvas. Source directory created. Setup done. First file, stroke.kt, the data model for our drawing strokes. DrawingStroke holds a list of offset points, a color, and a width. Simple but flexible. Eight colors in the palette, from red through purple to white. Let's review. DrawingCanvas.kt, the core composable canvas with pointer input for drawing. 11 imports: Canvas from Foundation, DragGestures, and the Path and Stroke Drawing APIs. The composable takes strokes, current stroke, and 3 callbacks for drag start, drag, and drag end. Pointer input with detectDragGestures captures freehand drawing. Each drag event adds a point to the current stroke. Rendering builds a path with moveTo and lineTo, then draw path with StrokeCap.Round for smooth lines. Reviewing drawing canvas. About 50 lines. Canvas plus pointer input is the core pattern. DrawingApp.kt, the main composable toolbar, state management, and the canvas area. 16 imports for layout, shapes, icons, material 3, and state. Four state variables: strokes list, current stroke, selected color, and stroke width. Color palette renders 8 circles. The selected color gets a white border, others get gray. A slider controls stroke width from 4 to 32 pixels. Undo calls removeLast on the strokes list. Clear calls strokes.clear. Drawing canvas fills the remaining space. 3 callbacks wire up stroke creation and state updates. Reviewing drawing app. About 90 lines, toolbar plus canvas and a column layout. Last file, main.kt. Launch the window at 900 by 700 with a dark theme. Seven imports and a simple application block. Drawing app fills the window. Reviewing all 4 files: main, stroke, drawing canvas, and drawing app. Four Kotlin files in our source tree. Clean compile. Build successful. Run Gradle run to launch the app. A dark canvas fills the window. Draw a stroke with the default white color. The line follows the mouse smoothly. Switch to red and draw another stroke. The color changes immediately. Increase the brush width with the slider. Thicker strokes are great for fills. Try different colors. Each stroke keeps its own color and width. Click Undo to remove the last stroke. Click Clear to wipe the canvas. Draw a new composition. Canvas and pointer input make freehand drawing simple. Five key takeaways from today's lesson. Canvas. The Canvas composable gives you a DrawScope for custom 2D rendering. Path. moveTo and line to build shapes. DrawPath renders them on the canvas. Stroke. StrokeCap.Round and StrokeJoin.Round create smooth freehand lines. Input. Pointer input with detectDragGestures captures freehand drawing gestures. Undo. mutableStateListOf with removeLast provides simple undo functionality. Subscribe for more Kotlin desktop tutorials. See you in Lesson 12.